Hey YouTube, Doobie-Doo here, and in this one, we're going to be frying up some delicious peach fritters. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe and follow along if you enjoy fritters, as these are absolutely fantastic. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see me bake next. Have a good rest of the day, everybody, and be safe. Take it easy. Alright, let's get it underway. 1 cup of all-purpose flour into the bowl. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. We're going to get a little bit of baking powder in there, just a teaspoon of it. We've got even less cinnamon, just a half a teaspoon. Just for flavor. Little tiny bit of ginger, quarter teaspoon of that. Quarter teaspoon of the salt too. Same amount as the ginger, get it in the bowl. A pinch, just a pinch of nutmeg. Let's incorporate those dries together, mix them up, get them all friendly, get them all mixed in. We're going to reserve the peach juice here. Set it aside. We're going to chop up our peaches a little bit into about 1/4 inch pieces. Crack 1 egg. We're going to get that in the bowl. Do our best to do shellless. Still not quite at one hand yet, but we'll get there, trust me. Here's our 3 ounces of vanilla yogurt going into the wets, mixing that in with the egg. We've got our 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. That's 35%. That's the thick stuff, baby. And we're going to incorporate those together. Nice little whisking action. Get the fork in there, break that yolk up. And now it's time for the boys to meet each other. Let's get the wets and the dries mixed together. Incorporate those bad boys together until they are fully moist. Next up, we are going to make our glaze here for the fritters, and I found I had way too much glaze, so I did cut this recipe in half with 3/4 cups of sugar, 3 to 6 tablespoons of the reserved peach juice, and 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir until it's nice and drippy. Get those peaches in there. They can be a little bit wet and hard to mix in, but just keep folding them in until you get a good coverage of the peaches. Just like that. Next up, we've got our oil here and candy thermometer. We're trying to get it at 375. Now this can be hard. I found it rather difficult to fry these correctly. I would go with a little bit smaller on the size of the donuts, and I think that would make frying a lot easier.
Look at that. Look at the peaches sticking out of it. Tell me that one ain't pretty. It ain't even got the glaze on it yet. See how pretty that is? Look at that. Come on. You wouldn't eat that? Tell me you wouldn't eat that.
And here we are taking our glaze. I went a little bit liberal with the first 2 and just smothered them. Now we're going to do a little bit prettier. We're going to try to get a little bit prettier drizzle across the top of them. You don't need too much glaze, but you do want a bit of glaze in every bite for sure. So try to get them covered. Make them as pretty as you can. And here I am giving the old fritter a try for the very first time. I did choose to eat the darkest one, as I did give some away. That crunch on it was absolutely superb, with the absolutely beautiful, plump, juicy peaches on the inside. I did give this fritter an absolutely beautiful, solid 8.6 out of 10. I very highly recommend giving it a try if you enjoy fritters. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take it easy. Remember to like and subscribe. Have a good rest of your day, guys, and comment down below what you want to see me cook next.